In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Perplexity AI Answer as PDF. By the end, you'll be able to save a clean, shareable copy of any Perplexity reply for offline reading, documentation, or sending to colleagues. Start by heading to the Perplexity website in your browser. You can use any modern browser, and no special setup is required. If you already have Perplexity open, great. Just make sure you're on the main interface where you can see your conversations. Being signed in is optional, but keeping your account active helps you find past threads more easily. Next, open the thread that contains the reply you want to download. A thread is simply the conversation where you asked a question and Perplexity provided answers. You can get there by using your recent history, pasting the thread's link into your address bar, or running a quick search and clicking the relevant result. Once the thread opens, scroll to the exact answer you want to save. Take a moment to review it on screen. Expand any collapsed sections, skim the citations and sources, and confirm the content looks the way you want it preserved. This matters because the PDF will reflect what Perplexity shows for that specific answer, including formatting and links. Now click the download icon and choose PDF. The download control typically appears alongside the answer, often near the Share or More options area. If you don't see it at first glance, hover over the answer or look for a three-dot menu where download is listed. When you click download and select PDF, your browser may open a save dialog or a print-style preview with Save as PDF selected. Keep the default or pick a folder you recognize and rename the file to something meaningful so you can find it later. Then confirm the save. After the file finishes downloading, open the PDF to verify everything looks right. Links to sources should remain clickable, headings should be clear, and the layout should match what you saw in the thread. If the answer spans multiple parts and you only captured one, repeat the same download action on the other answers you want to keep. And before sharing the PDF, double check that it doesn't include anything you prefer to keep private. That's all there is to it. Go to Perplexity, open the thread with the reply you want, then click the download icon and choose PDF. With those simple actions, you'll have a polished, portable copy ready for reading, filing, or sharing whenever you need it.